Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. So actually, Instagram doesn't provide a direct way to see exactly who shared your post unless it was shared as a story or you have a business or creator account with post insights enabled. However, if you don't have business or creator account, there are some different ways to check it. And to this video, I'm going to show you how. So if you want to, if you have business or creator accounts, if you have, you can see easily how many people shared your post, but not exactly who. So this is how you can check it. You can just open your Instagram and then you can just click on a post that you want to check. If you have business or creator account, you can just tap on the post and then there will be this the options to view insight under the post. You can just look for the arrow icon or the shares to see how many times your posts were shared. This will show you the number of shares, but Instagram doesn't reveal the username of those who shared it. And second one, you can just check mentions in stories if you only have public account. So if someone shared your post in their Instagram story and tag you, you'll get a notifications in your DMs. So to check it, you can just open your Instagram and then go to your DMs by clicking on the messenger icon at the top right corner and then look for the message that say someone mentioned you in their story. So you can just tap on the mention to see their story. But if their story is private and you don't follow them, you won't be able to see it. And the next one, you can manually search for public shares. If you have Instagram a public account, you can try searching for who shared your post by checking your followers stories. You can just browse through their story to see if your post appears, and you can also ask a friend to type your username into their story into the story mentioned search. And the last one, you can ask your followers if necessary. So if you suspect your post was shared widely and want to know who did it, you can create a story or post asking, if you share my post, let me know. I'd love to thank you. On the final note, Instagram doesn't show a list of usernames of people who share your post due to privacy reasons. So the only way to track individual share is if they tag you in their story or if you have a business or creator account that tracks the number of shares. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks and subscribe. Bye.